All right, hello. Again, my name is John Benjamin, and this is part 3 in motion graphics. And today I'm going to show you about the anchor point and the anchor point tool. So I want to do something different with the logo, but I don't want to lose this work. So I'm going to go ahead and lock it and then turn off the eye right here so we don't have to see that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag another logo onto the stage. And what I want to point out is this anchor point right here in the center. So if I were to go ahead and hit R, that opens up the rotation, and I rotate this, it rotates on that anchor point. But if I move that anchor point, and I can do that in a couple of ways. First way I'll show you is the anchor point tool right here. I can go ahead and simply move it up here, like so. And then if I rotate it, you can see it's like a pendulum rotates on that anchor point. Now another way to change the anchor point's position is using the anchor point parameter in the layers palette. So if I hit A, you can see here it is. And I can go ahead and move its position in relation to my object. And so let's say I want to move my object down. I want to have it up really high like so. All right, and so now let's animate this logo like it's a pendulum. So first I'll go ahead and put around 5 frames, and I will switch to the rotation tool by hitting R. And I'm going to hit the stopwatch, and then I'll go up to 20 frames, and I'll add another keyframe. Now here what I want it to do is go from the left to the right. So in this keyframe, I'm going to go ahead and scrub the rotation up to here, and then I'm going to go back to the other keyframe, the first one, and I'm going to rotate it up to here. All right, let's play that through. There we have it, nice little swing. But again, it's very mechanical. So let's go ahead first, and let's select those 2 anchor points, and go to the graph editor. And here I can click on this up here, and then I can come down here and I can say ease out, and I can click on this point and I can say ease in by clicking on easy ease in. And now I can change just like we did before, but I can make that a little bit steeper like so. All right, and then let's go ahead and give it a motion blur like we did before. And now let's play that through. All right, much more natural movement. All right, then the last thing I want to show you today, I'm going to turn off the graph editor, and I'm going to show you that you can copy keyframes. So what I want is I'm going to click on this keyframe. I'm going to hit Control C, Command C on a Mac. I'm going to move my CTI up to, let's say, 5 frames. And I'm going to hit Command V or Control V on a PC. And that takes it back to that original position. So let's play that through. There, we have a pendulum that swings back to the original position by copying and pasting keyframes. All right, that's all I have for today for this episode.